This video is interface and user setup and follows the basic setup and settings module video. The Enterprise Manager interface is divided into three areas: the menu bar, the modules list, and the module area. The menu bar has a button which serves as the new button for each module. That is, in the purchase orders module, the button will become the new goods request button. In the jobs module, it will become the new job button. In the SKU vendor module, it will become the new SKU button and be accompanied by a new vendor button. This button has a drop-down component next to it, which offers the ability to create new items from any module, as well as some helpful ways to look up general information. The menu bar always contains the print button, which will print the module's primary data view, the user button, which always shows the current user's name and allows you to switch users by clicking on it, and the logo, which will bring up a debugging and logging window if clicked on. Right-clicking on the user button will allow you to customize your Enterprise Manager experience. The modules list is here in the lower left-hand corner and allows the user to switch between modules. Modules are areas of expected workflow, and while much of the same functionality is available in multiple modules, its method of presentation differs. As an example, you may view a job's purchased items in the Finance, Jobs, Purchase Orders, Manufacturing, S2M Center, and Shop Access modules. The way it is presented and the steps to view it differ because each module is expected to be used for a different purpose. The last interface area is the module area. Its contents differ by module, but most modules have a search and results area, along with a right side that displays details, activities, and notes of the selected item. All modules have an actions area, with actions that can be performed without searching. Access to data and actions within Enterprise Manager is highly controlled. Each person who uses the software is required to have a username, and each user is assigned to a role, which determines what they can see and do. Our first step is going to be to change the password of the system account. Because the system account has unrestricted access to everything in the software, we do not want unauthorized users using it. We can right-click on the username button in the menu bar and select Change Password, or go to the Home module and select Change Password from the Actions menu. We're going to utilize one additional method to familiarize with the basic methods of interaction. Go to the Employees module by left-clicking on it. Some modules have a default search which is executed as soon as you enter them. This module gives you a list of all active employees. Left-clicking on any item in the list will bring up details, activities, and notes that have been stored for that item. We can right-click on any detail to copy its value to the clipboard. Right-clicking on any item will bring up a menu of actions you can take with it. In this case, we're going to right-click on the system account and select Change Password. We will supply the existing password, which is nothing, and then enter our new password. Login will store the password. You can see that if I log out by clicking on the user button, then try to log on with no password, I am unable to. Now I will specify my new password and log on. We will return to the Employees module and click on the Manage Roles Permissions action item. This is where you will control what roles exist and what each role can do. The left list is a list of permissions which are not granted to the selected role, while the right side is a list of permissions which are granted to the selected role. As you can see, the only existing role is System Operator, and it has a special permission called Admin All Permissions. This single permission overrides everything else and provides all permissions. We are going to begin by creating a role for our company's shop floor. We will click the Add button, then enter our new name of Shop Employee. We will give this role access to only the Time Clock and Home modules.